ADXN Therapeutics Limited completed the half-year with 8.8 million Swiss francs of cash and expects to be able to finance their operations until the end of 2022. They focus on concluding partnering agreements on selected pipeline assets to secure the financial resources to advance their development and strengthen their balance sheet. The ADX71149 Phase 2 epilepsy study is scheduled to end in the end of the year, and the team at Indivior looks forward to delivering drug candidates, ready for IND-enabling studies, under their strategic partnership with Indivior. They are currently in clinical candidate selection phase with IND-enabling studies expected to be initiated by Indivior in the first quarter of 2023 for SUD. Under the agreement with Indivior, the companies are eligible to receive $330 million in development, regulatory and sales milestones, as well as the right to select drug candidates for development in certain exclusive indications outside of SUD. This agreement will give the companies the opportunity to develop drugs in areas such as Alzheimer's disease, multiple sclerosis, and rheumatoid arthritis.